How to find saved passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. It simplifies password management by storing, organizing, and allowing easy access to credentials across all Apple devices with iCloud keychain enabled. The app also provides security features like password health monitoring and alerts for potential data breaches. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. If you want to delete any password from here, then hold that app and swipe left. Then, tap on the delete icon beside it. Now, go back to the previous page. Tap on Wi-Fi. Here, you can view all your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Following these steps, you can easily find saved passwords on iPhone.